Good afternoon guys, today I am back with another video. Today I will show you how to remove paint scuff or paint transfer from another car to your car body. This type of paint transfer happens when another car rubs against your car body and that particular paint transfers to your car paint. So there are several methods. I will try one by one whichever is effective in this particular problem. I first wash this area with shampoo water. So this is the area which needs to be cleaned. So first step I will try with thinner which I have procured from local hardware store, but with thinner you have to be very careful so that it doesn't dilutes your inner paint, the original car paint. So that is very important, but this will reduce much labor that is required to remove this paint. So let me start. So I will reduce the intensity of this particular paint. Do not apply too much pressure, otherwise it will remove the original paint of your car, and pinpoint with a finger okay. So I have reduced the intensity of that particular paint. Now I will wash this area and do some wet sanding. So it's almost gone. Now I will apply some wet sanding. So I have lubricated this area. I will use a 2500 grit water paper so that it blends with the original paint. You can see this type of bruise should have caused dent in my earlier Maruti car, but yes, Ford is quite strong enough, so there has been no dent. And these type of paint scuffs are common in city drive, as there is bumper to bumper traffic and it's very difficult to remain careful. Even if you are careful, the other car may not be careful. So all paint has been removed. Now what we'll do, I will do some compounding and finally apply wax to this area. Now I will apply this compounding. You can use any rubbing compound. I am using this particular turtle wax polishing compound. So you can use any one. So it's almost gone. The entire area I have removed the paint successfully, except this particular area where the scratch is deep enough and you can see the bare metal or the primer has come up. Otherwise the entire area is smooth. And now I will apply some protection wax. At least it's better than what it was before. Let me apply some little bit of compound more and apply some elbow grease if I can remove it further. So it's totally gone. Here these areas which you can see, the paint has, there is no paint over this particular scratches, so that cannot be rectified anymore. Now I will apply some protection wax. So the area is absolutely just like it was before. You can see this area, I have removed the entire paint and the area looks like just whatever it was before, except one or two minor scratches. Otherwise it has totally blended with the original paint. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and if you find the video useful, please do comment in the comment section below, and I am always ready to answer your queries. Thank you very much and goodbye.